Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to reset your YouTube recommendations. Begin by understanding that the recommendations are based on your watch history and search history. To reset them, you need to manage these settings. First, open the YouTube app or go to the website and log into your account. Once logged in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Your Data in YouTube. This will take you to a page where you can manage your activity and data. Scroll down until you see the sections for YouTube Watch History and YouTube Search History. Here, you will have two main options. The first option is to pause your watch history. To do this, click on the toggle to turn off YouTube's history tracking. This will stop YouTube from using your activity to personalize recommendations. If you prefer not to pause it but want to start fresh, proceed to the next step. Click on Manage Activity under either the Watch or Search History section. This will open a detailed list of all your YouTube activities. In this list, you can see everything you have watched or searched for. At the top of the page, look for the Delete option. When you click on it, you will be given choices such as deleting your activity from the last hour, the last day, or all time. To fully reset your recommendations, select All Time. Confirm your choice when prompted, and YouTube will delete your entire watch and search history. After completing this step, return to YouTube. Keep in mind that while this action clears your past activity and resets the recommendation algorithm, your recommendations may still be influenced by your subscriptions. Channels you are subscribed to may continue to appear in your feed. If you want a more neutral recommendation feed, consider unsubscribing from certain channels as well. Finally, it may take some time for the changes to fully take effect. The recommendations you see at first might feel random until the system collects new data based on your activity moving forward. That's it. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.